Razer Pro Type Ultra, recognized as the best runner-up wireless keyboard for 2024. This keyboard features yellow switches that are tactile yet silent, a brushed synthetic leather wrist rest, and Razer Hyperspeed Wireless 2.4 GHz for ultra-fast connectivity. It also supports Bluetooth. Starting with the design, the Pro Type Ultra is a full-size keyboard, complete with numeric keypad on the left and 6 rows of keys to accommodate function and multimedia keys without needing to remember key combinations. The top of the keyboard boasts a metal plate, providing impressive durability, while the rest of the body is made from textured plastic that feels premium. The keyboard remains stable on your desk thanks to 6 generous pads around its base, preventing any unwanted movement. The yellow switches require just 45 grams of force to actuate, making them both quiet and extremely responsive. This means you can enjoy seamless gaming sessions in titles like Overwatch or CSGO, where rapid key presses are crucial. Additionally, these switches are ideal for typing at high speed, reducing fatigue compared to other switch types. One of the standout features of the Pro Type Ultra is its versatile connectivity options. You can connect via Bluetooth, the 2.4 GHz band, or USB-C. A small compartment at the bottom houses a USB dongle, allowing you to connect the keyboard directly to any compatible device without the need for syncing. Moreover, you can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth and switch between them effortlessly, perfect for use with multiple computers, mobile phones, or tablets. The wrist rest is exceptionally comfortable, and the tilt angles are well designed for optimal typing posture. Overall, the Razer Pro Type Ultra offers an excellent combination of comfort, functionality, and connectivity, making it a top choice for gamers and professionals alike. Good stuff!